will take a look at substitution, which is simply replacing the letter with the number. All right. They said A is equal to 4, B is equal to -1, and C is equal to -3. So we are going to replace the number with the letter. So wherever, the letter with the number. So wherever we see A, we put in 4, B -1, C is -3. All right, so let's jump right into it. They said find. The find means work it out and you get a specific value, whether it's a negative number, positive number, fraction, a decimal, you get a specific value. So find A plus B. So instead of writing A, we put in 4 because A is equal to 4 plus. Instead of writing B, we put in -1. All right, so we're going to deal with the signs now. The first step is actually substituting the values. The second step is dealing with the sign. Multiplying two different signs is a negative. 4 minus 1 is 3. That's the answer there. Part 2. 2b means 2 times b. So put your brackets. Bracket means multiplication. -3c means -3 times c. So put your brackets. All right. So I have 2 by b, which is -1, minus 3 by c, -3. So I have -2 plus 9, and that is 7. Right, better than that. Right. Here you substitute and you put whatever the values is in the brackets. The values are. And here you multiply different signs minus, same signs plus, right? And 2 times 1 is 2, 3 3s are 9. So deal with the sign first, number after, and you get 7. Part 3, a squared. So a is equal to 4 minus b squared, -1 squared. 4 is 16 minus 1 squared is 1. The answer is 15. Now, don't say you're multiplying two same signs and you get positive. That'd be wrong. You have to work out the brackets. You have to work out the brackets first and then deal with simplifying afterwards. So that's why I said -1 squared is 1. And then say 16 minus 1 is 15. All right. 3abc. That means 3 times a times b times c. So we have 3 by e, which is 4, by b, which is -1, by c, which is -3. All right. So if we deal with these signs first, when you're multiplying, you get a pointer there. 2 positives, 2 same signs plus, and then when you're multiplying 2 different signs, right, you keep minus in your head, and then you're multiplying same signs, so we know the answer is have a plus, right? And then we say, I'll just write any plus for emphasis. 3 4 is 12, 12 by 1 is 12, 12 by 3 is 36. Right, the answer is 36. You don't need to write it plus 36. You can just write 36. Next one, a plus b squared. So we have a is equal to 4 plus b is equal to -1 squared. Right? Multiplying different signs, we get minus. 4 minus 1, which is 3 squared, and that is equal to 9. All right, that's squared a little on top. All right, 3 squared is equal to 9. Let me just verify. 4b is equal to -1. Right, cool. Next one. This one is like part 1 and part 5 combined as a fraction. So we have a as 4 plus -1. Over b, we have 4 plus -1 squared. So when you're multiplying different signs, there's a minus. So we have 4 minus 1 over 4 minus 1 squared, because it's similar inside there. 3 over 3 squared. We have, which is equal to, let me just get a little more room, which is 3 over 9, which is a third. You could have just put that all in your calculator and get the answer. Right? I just stress the work in there. All right, so you get a third there. Let's look at part 7. It looks a little much, but it's not bad at all. So c squared. C is equal to -3 squared plus 2e, which is 4, and b is -1. all over 2c. C is equal to -3 minus AC is 4 and C is equal to -3. So the first step is simply substituting the values, right? Continuing, 3 squared is equal to 9. When you're multiplying, same signs positive, different signs negative. 2 4s are 8, 8 by 1 is 8. When you're multiplying different signs, negative, 2 3 6. When you're multiplying different, or just in this case, different signs here, negative, same signs, positive. Then you say 4 3s, 12. All right, so 9 minus 8 is 1, and -6 plus 12 is +6. That's how you get 1/6. Last two questions. So A squared, so we have 4 squared minus 3 by E, which is 4, and C, which is -3. 4 squared, 16 minus, well, let's check if it's a minus. Multiplying different signs, minus, all right, keep the minus in your head, and then you're multiplying same signs, plus, so it's supposed to be plus here. 3 4s, 12, 12 3s, 36, right? 36, 16 plus 36, 6 plus 6 is 12, 1, 4, 5, right? 52 is the answer. Last question, 2AB, that's 2 by A, and B, -1, minus 3B. So here, same signs you're multiplying, positive, keep that in your head. Different signs, negative, so you have to be a negative sign. Deal with the sign first, numbers after. And then 2 4 is 8, 8 by 1 is 8. Multiplying, same sign is positive, 3 by 1 is 3, -8 plus 3 is -5, right? And there ends substitution.